Hi, I'm Jeff Williams, an associate broker at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Hodnick Cooper Real Estate here in Glenn County. You know, a lot of times when I'm meeting a client for the first time, one of the questions that I ask right off the bat is, when you're looking for a property, what kind of condition do you want that property to be in? Are you looking for something that's going to be a complete fixer-upper? Are you looking for something that's going to need a little bit of work? Or maybe even new construction that's going to be turnkey and you can walk right into the house? That's a very important question to ask because a lot of people really haven't thought about the financial consequences of buying something that's going to need a lot of work. Like, are you going to have the funds after closing to fix the paint or put new carpet in? But that's a really important question I like to ask right off the bat. I've got plenty of answers to your questions, but you've got to contact me. My name is Jeff Williams, and my number is 912-270-0032. Give me a call. I'm looking forward to working with you.